Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, today first of all we will discuss about the remaining part of chapter 4 and then after we will start chapter 5. So keep in mind and see. First of all we will see fill in the blanks. The dash is the highest of three ranges. The dash is the highest of three ranges. बेटा थ्री रेंजेस में सबसे हाईएस्ट कौन सा है? दैट इज हिमाद्री. दैट इज हिमाद्री. हिमाद्री इज द हाईएस्ट ऑफ थ्री रेंजेस. द हिमालय स्ट्रेचेस फ्रॉम डैश in the north to dash in the northeast. In this question you have to tell about the Himalaya stretches from where to where. So Himalaya stretches from dash in the north. नॉर्थ में बेटा कहाँ से फैली है हिमालय? जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. Jammu and Kashmir in the north to dash in the northeast. So in the northeast Arunachal Pradesh. What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? Yes, Itanagar. So Himalaya stretches from Jammu Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. Next is the area at the foothills. The area at the foothills of the lower Himalayas. The area at the foothills of the lower Himalayas is called the dash region. The area of the foothills of the lower Himalayas is called the dash region. So what will be the answer? Terai. Answer will be Terai. The region is Terai. And next is rivers in the Himalayas arise from. The rivers in the Himalayas arise from. हिमालय में बेटा जो रिवर निकलते हैं वो किससे निकलते हैं? द ओरिजिन पॉइंट ऑफ ऑल रिवर्स आर ग्लेशियर्स. ग्लेशियर. Many glaciers are there. They are helpful. With the help of glaciers, many rivers originate in the Himalayas. Next is rivers in the thick forest of pine, oak, deodar are found in the. Beta, these are the forest of pine, oak, deodar are found in the which forest? Which Himalaya? Which part of the Himalaya? So answer will be here middle Himalayas. Answer will be middle Himalayas. So keep in mind all these things. Next is, dear student, now we will start the new lesson. That will be chapter 5, the Northern Plains. The Northern Plains, the part of land on which we are living in the Northern Plain, and it is also called Gangetic Plain or Indo-Gangetic Plain. So keep in mind. Now today we will see only the word bank of this lesson. First one is perennial rivers. Perennial rivers, rivers with water all through the year. मतलब बेटा ऐसी नदियाँ जिसमें हर समय पानी रहता है, हर समय जल भरा रहता है। इस टाइप की जो नदियाँ होती हैं वो कभी सूखती नहीं हैं, इसलिए इनको बोलते हैं हम लोग पेरेनियल रिवर। What are perennial rivers? Rivers with water all through the year. They never get dry. They feed it with water all through the year. Next is silt. What is silt? Fine sand and mud. When rivers move from the mountainous region, it brings many things with them. In that series, fine sand and mud carried by a river. These all things is carried by a river and deposited on its banks and deposited on its bank, और उसके किनारे पर उसको डिपॉजिट किया जाता है। नेक्स्ट इज ट्रिब्यूटरीज, a stream flowing into a larger stream, a stream flowing into a larger stream or a lake, that is called tributaries. Tributaries मतलब होता है बेटा बड़ी नदियों में जो छोटी नदियाँ जाके मिल जाती हैं, तो छोटी नदियों को जो स्मॉल रिवर्स होती हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं ट्रिब्यूटरीज। जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल, इन प्रयागराज Yamuna join Ganga river. That's why this place is called Sangam. And from Prayagraj, the exit of Yamuna we can not find. So the existence of Yamuna is, and here in the Prayagraj, Yamuna mix up in Ganga, and from here only Ganga river moves away towards Varanasi and the other places. So tributaries as a stream flowing into a larger stream or a lake. Next is basin, the land drained by river and its tributaries. The land drained by river and its tributaries are called basin. Next is dam, a wall built to hold back water. डैम बेटा क्यों बनाया जाता है? जहाँ पे वाटर स्कैर्सिटी होती है, जहाँ पे पानी की मात्रा कम होती है और पूरे समय पानी की अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं होती है वाटर की, इसलिए हम लोगों को डैम बनाने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। डैम बना करके हम पानी को कलेक्ट करके रखते हैं, रोक के रखते हैं, और समय आने पर हम उसका यूज़ करते हैं। सो डैम, अ वॉल बिल्ड टू होल्ड बैक वाटर। पानी को रोकने के लिए जो वॉल बनाई जाती है उसको हम बोलते हैं डैम। नेक्स्ट इज डेल्टा, ट्रायंगल शेप्ड लैंड फॉर्म्ड when a river splits into several smaller rivers. Triangle shaped land formed when a river splits into several smaller rivers before it enters the sea. That is called delta. So keep in mind and learn all the things properly, and the remaining part will be discussed in next video. So keep watching the video and try to learn all the things. Be careful about your health and hygiene, and don't miss comment. Do comment in comment box. It is very compulsory for your attendance. Otherwise, you will be considered as absent. If you are not going to comment in comment box, you will be considered as absent. It is not the useless work. It is useful work. So that's why I reminding you all the time. Thank you. Have a nice day.